Hello everyone, today we have a 2017 Chevrolet Tahoe LT 4x4. This has a clean title and it is running smooth. So I'm going to go ahead and close this up and take you for a tour. It does have alloy wheels, fixed running boards, tow package, tan leather interior, power liftgate, okay, let's go ahead and take a tour of the interior. Second row seats, comfort controls, and also a 110 volt outlet right there. Super handy. Your back seat. See, you have two driver presets and a Bose sound system. And then down here is your VIN. And I will upload some still photos as well, as I know I go through this fairly quickly. Okay, and we have the trip computer toggles right here. Okay, so right here we see that it has 100,157 miles on this vehicle, and then there's your odometer right there. Or excuse me, there is your cruise control, your push to talk up here, and your trip computer toggles that we just worked with. And as you come down here, you got your heated seats and your outlets and your comfort controls. Here's your disk drive. You can actually pop this up to store behind it or to access the USB port that's back there. There's the radio. You have AM, FM, Sirius XM, and Bluetooth. And there's your navigation. You're going to see the backup camera. Pop it in reverse. There's your backup camera. Okay, right here you have your towing, your rear view mirror, and then your glasses holder, which also doubles as a conversation mirror, so you can see the people and the other seats. And as you come down here, you have your cup holders and your additional power sources and stowage down in there. There are two USB ports and additional power source down in there, and that about wraps it up for this Chev on the interior. As I mentioned, this vehicle does have a clean title. For more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com. In the spirit of full disclosure, here is a copy of the original label for your vehicle, so you can see what it was equipped with straight out of the factory.